There are some sentences wherein people are involved but no specific person performs the action. For example, one should eat vegetables every day. You have to work hard to achieve success. They say that it's going to rain tomorrow. People eat very well in that restaurant. So in all these sentences, people are involved, but we are not referring to a particular person who is performing the action. People in general are performing the action. So how to say such sentences in Spanish? The formula is, first of all say, then verb in third person singular, and then rest of the sentence. So let's see some examples now. One should study a lot in order to get good grades. Se debe estudiar mucho para sacar buenas notas. So all we have to do is to put se before the verb, and rest everything will be in the same manner. How do you say book in Spanish? ¿Cómo se dice book en español? They say that it's going to rain tomorrow. Se dice que llueva mañana. Where can one find, or where can you find the best place to eat tacos in Mexico? ¿Dónde se puede encontrar el mejor lugar para comer tacos en México? So that's all in today's video. I hope you liked it, and as always, one sentence for you guys. How one gets to the church. Ciao!